Japan earthquake. Tsunami warning issued after 6.8 magnitude earthquake strikes near Niigata. A powerful earthquake has jolted northwestern Japan, and officials are warning of a tsunami as high as 3.3 feet along parts of the coast. The Japan Meteorological Agency said the quake Tuesday night, 6:22 a.m. PDT, according to the USGS, registered magnitude 6.8 and was located off the western coast of Yamagata, about 30 miles southwest of the city of Sakata. It said the quake was fairly shallow, about 10 kilometers, 6 miles, below the sea surface. Shallow quakes tend to cause more damage on the Earth's surface.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.